Hi guys! Let's take a look at the forearm sit. The points of contact will be the hands. Understand that you'll be sitting on the forearm area, and depending on your body type, you might be sitting closer to the wrist or closer to the elbow. Whatever position that works for you is okay. We'll start by sitting low on the pole, just as we did when learning the pole sit. Cross one leg and tip one hip down, locking you into place. Once you feel secure, reach the hand of the top highest hip under you with the thumb facing up. If this feels secure, tuck the knees up, allowing the hips to slowly lower down and sit on your forearm. Practice this lean back onto the forearm until you feel comfortable with the transition to sitting on the forearm. If you feel secure right away, try uncrossing the legs and holding a tuck position, or move into a pike, or you could even try a straddle. Exit out by bringing the feet down to the floor and releasing the bottom hand. Don't worry if you cannot do the leg positions right away. Keep practicing. Let's take a look at this from up on the pole. Stand on the balls of your feet and use a pole hold. Exhale, coming into pole sit. Reach behind the higher butt cheek. Place this hand on the pole, thumb up. From here, begin to lean back, dropping one cheek down onto the forearm, extending the top arm fully. Open into a V straddle or another leg variation. Exit out by placing the legs back on the pole and pulling the body back up with the top hand. Just like in plank, you can turn the body by placing the hand in different positions on the pole. By wrapping the wrist around, you'll turn the body towards the top arm. By placing the hand on the side of the pole you're on, you'll turn the body away from the top arm. Placing the top hand facing to the side of the pole will keep you fairly centered. However, a bit of turning is totally common, so don't worry about it. Try out the different placements so you can learn what position works best for you, and you can learn how to maneuver your body while using static pole. Let's try entering this time from a push grip pole hold. Exhale, coming into pole sit. Place the top hand around chest level and grab the pole with the opposite hand, thumb up under the bum. The farther up you place the top hand, the less leaning away you'll have from the pole. Just remember, placing the hand too far down can make it difficult to hold on. Maintaining a cross-leg position while leaning back can be a very pretty variation. You can also try extending just one leg. Exit out by sitting back up, releasing the bottom hand and placing it up high. Use the bottom arm in a push grip to anchor the body, allowing you to release the legs. Here's a look from behind. Come into pole sit. Tipping one hip, reach behind the top hip, placing the thumb up, lean back, and once you feel secure, open the legs into a tuck position, and from here, open into V, or any other leg position you like. Let's move on to spinning pole. We'll enter by using a push grip pole hold. The inside arm is fully extended. The outside arm is across the body. Step forward with the inside foot and hold using push grip. Without rushing, draw the legs up onto the pole, coming into pole sit. Keep one hip down. Keep the bottom hand at chest level and release the top hand, placing it under the highest butt cheek. Extend the top arm. If secure, uncross the legs and open into a straddle or any other leg variation you like. Exit out by tucking one leg in and then the other. Focus on really tipping the hips to lock back into place on the pole. Use a pole hold or a push grip to lift off the pole, coming back to your feet.